You have a story that is unique, a story that you care about, a story that your customers could care about if only they heard it from you. But no, not the elaborate, crafty blog writer you, nor the quippy, witty marketer you. Definitely not the behind-the-scenes genius who deserves all the credit you, but you. The extraordinarily ordinary, relatable you. The abnormally normal, goofy you. The perfectly imperfect human, you. The live you. That's why we're bringing you a masterclass on how to show how you create stunning live stream experience that will leave your audience asking for more. This is Steve Dotto, and I am going to be sitting down with David Foster, the co-founder of Live Streaming Pros, one of the world's leading live streaming experts. And together, we're going to bring you a framework that you can follow to create professional TV quality live streams without the TV studio price tag. Join us live Wednesday, May 20th at 10 a.m. Pacific, only on nvideo.io/you and me.